Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 7, Power Query Challenge Extracting Information. Power Query provides a robust platform for performing complex data transformations, and one common challenge is extracting specific information from datasets. To begin, load your data into Power Query by importing it from Excel or another source. Identify the information you need, such as specific text, dates, or numerical values. Use text functions to extract portions of text, such as the first few characters, or date functions to isolate components like the year from a date column. Conditional columns can help you extract information based on specific criteria by using custom formulas. Additionally, filtering rows allows you to isolate the data that meets your extraction needs. By leveraging these tools and functions, you can efficiently extract and transform data to suit your analysis and reporting requirements.